we're coming to the end of the green garlic and ramp season, so that is the star ingredient in these burgers. What I'm doing now is something that I always do for deviled eggs and for many of my hamburgers. My mom would always grate onion directly over the bowl when she was making deviled eggs or hamburgers, so that all of the juice from the onion and a few tablespoons of that fine grated onion would go through all the meat or go through all of the hard-boiled egg yolk. It really makes an enormous flavor difference. So you're going to take your choice of green garlic, or the bulbs and the greens are both usable of ramps, chop them and saute them. When they're soft, I turn off the pan and cool them, and I add a combination of parsley and mint. Then you're gonna take that cooled mixture, add it to the ground beef, add a little Worcestershire, and a squirt of Dijon. That was the container, to be clear. And then a drizzle of olive oil. Remember, score the meat, make your patties thinner at the center. I'm gonna get them into our skillet. When we come back, we'll make our special sauce. Our green garlic, or you could substitute ramps, our seasonal ingredient burgers, are cooking up. You want that reddish brown crust on the burger. I know. Look at that sexy beast. Oh, you boys look good. I put a couple of slices of provolone on top of each burger. Now, we're going to make a special sauce for the burger. Every good burger needs some sauce. So we're gonna start with a product that I love. It's actually made out of chickpeas. So it's like a vegan mayonnaise. This one's called Fabonnaise. And then we're going to take my balsamic drizzle, or you can reduce balsamic vinegar with a little light brown sugar and make your own balsamic drizzle, then cool it. So thick, beautiful. Look how thick this is. And then, what does balsamic vinegar like to hang out with? Tomatoes. What kind of tomatoes do we put on a burger? Ketchup. Duh. So we're gonna add a little ketchup to our mix, a little salt and pepper. And that's our special sauce for our little Italian provolone burgers. These burgers just got like a minute or two left, so hurry up and come on back and we'll stack a burger. So I got a Martin's sesame seed roll. I love a soft bun for this burger. On the bottom, some of our balsamic special sauce. Then I add a little bit of chopped onion. And I add some sliced Italian hot cherry peppers. And then I put on a little lettuce. And then a lovely, beautiful slice of tomato. Oh, that's ridiculous. And then, wait. And then you got a double saucer.